I explained that the global behavior patterns of racism are a survival necessity for the white collective. This racist activity is a compensatory attempt to prevent white genetic annihilation on a planet where the vast majority of peoples are genetically dominant to the melanin deficient whites. The awareness of self in the white global collective as a white genetic mutant population that was rejected by their black parents in Africa, and the subsequent conscious and or unconscious determination to survive as a global minority became the underlying law that determined the evolution of the now global white supremacy system culture. The global white supremacy system, racism, is a highly specific system of behavior energy. The force and energy of this system, through its ultimate goal objective and its patterns of logic, thought, speech, action, emotional response, perception, and symbols in all areas of people activity, economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war, determines the dominant patterns of behavior in the world today. The global system of white supremacy is euphemistically referred to as Western civilization. All major and minor behavior energy crystallizations or behavior units in the global white collective, no matter how simple or complex, old or new, short or long-lived, must conform to the final analysis to the basic behavior energy equation of white over non-white, or white power over non-white powerlessness. This is the necessary power or energy equation for white genetic survival. This behavior energy equation is expressed in energy manifestations of patterns of logic, thought, speech, action, emotional response, and perception in all areas of human activity, namely economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war. From this basic law, it becomes possible to predict the ultimate output of individual and collective white brain computers at the local and global levels. In energy terms, this means that it is possible to predict the fundamental patterns, the bottom line, of all energy that flows from the white collective in its dynamic interaction with the non-white collective. That sum total of behavior energy expression is always the energy crystallization of white supremacy, white genetic survival, irrespective of the gross or subtle myriad behavior forms it assumes. Also, this energy formation can be understood as a finite unified energy field or force field, albeit that the force is behavior energy.